Hello students, today I am going to explain you about the giving tree. Now you know that the trees are our best friends. Tree makes our environment green. Tree makes the air fresh. It gives us oxygens and protect us from the carbon dioxide. Tree provides us wood and paper. Trees gives us fruits and vegetables, lots of things. Birds build nest or shelters on the tree. We all, when we get tired, then we get a seat under the tree. Let's begin with the lesson, the giving tree. Now in the same way here tree also help a little boy and how he feels when he helped a little boy and how the tree shared the things to the boy. Narrator said, once there was a tree and it loved a little boy. Every day the boy would visit the tree and enjoy its company. The boy go to the tree every day and enjoy its company. He make his friend as a tree. He make a tree as his friend. Tree said, come here my boy. Come and climb up my trunk and swing from my branches. Tree said to the boy that come to me and climb up my trunk and swing from branch to branch. Boy said, swinging from branches? Ah, what fun! Tree said, are you hungry? Eat my apples. Now after swinging from branch, Tree, are you hungry? Eat my apples. Now tree is asking to the boy that you are hungry so you can eat my apples. Boy said, eating apples? How delicious. Delicious means very pleasant to taste. Narrator said, the writer said, when the boy was tired, he slept under the tree. The tree was happy to give its shade. But time went by and the boy grew older and went away. Now here what did the narrator said? When the boy was tired, he slept under the tree. And the tree was so happy to give its shade to the little boy when he slept under the tree. And the time gone and the boy grew older and went away. In the same way, the boy also grew up older. The tree was often alone. Now the tree has become alone. The boy went away. Now he is not coming to the tree for some time. After some years, one day the boy came to the tree and the tree was very happy. After some years, again the boy came to the tree and the tree recognized him and he was happy to see a little child has grown up now. Tree said, come my boy, come and climb up my trunk and swing from my branches. Now the tree again said in the same way when he was a small boy, he said to him that you can climb up my trunk and swing from branch to branch. The boy said, I am too big to climb and play. Now grown up, I am so big that now I don't want to climb up the tree. I want to buy things and have fun. Now the boy wants to buy things. I want some money. Can you give me some money? Now if he wants to buy something, then he wants some money. So he was asking to the tree that can you give me some money? Then money we can't get from the trees. So what tree said? See how tree helps to the boy. Tree said, I am sorry, but I have no money. I have only leaves and apples. You can pluck my apples and sell them in the market, then you will have money. Now what did the tree say to the little boy? That I can't give you money, but I have only leaves and apples. You can pluck my apples and sell them in the market. By selling apples, you will get the money. Narrator said. The boy happily plucked the apples and carried them away. The tree was also happy, but the boy stayed away for a long time and the tree was sad. One day the boy came back and the tree shook with joy. Now again the boy happily plucked the apples and carried them away. He plucked the apple. Pluck means pull off or pick up. And took the apples with him and sell them in the market. In that, by selling the apples, he got some money. And then after getting money, he went away and he buy things. But the boy stayed away for a long time. Now after a long time again he went away for a long time and then again he will come back. Let's see. So when the boy went away, the tree became sad. After some time again the boy came to the tree. Tree said, "Come by, come and climb up my trunk, swing from my branches, eat my apples, play in my shade and be happy." Now the tree said again to the boy that the boy has grown up. And again he said, repeat the same things. Climb up my trunk, swing from my branches, eat my apples, play in my shade and be happy. The boy said, "I am too busy to climb trees. I am getting married and I need a house for my wife and children. Can you give me a house?" Now the boy asked to the tree that, "Can you give me a house? Now I want a house. I am going to get married and I need a house for my wife and for children. So you can give me a house?" Now what did the tree say? "I can't give you a house." But how tree helps to the boy? "I have no house, but you may cut off my branches and build a house." Now how tree helps the boy? Tree said to the boy that you can cut off my branch and build a house. From the branches of the tree you can build a house for your wife and for your children. Now the narrator said, so the boy cut off the tree's branches and carried them away to build a house. The boys cut off the tree's branches and carried them away to build a house. We make a house of wood. The tree was very happy. Again, by helping to the boy, the tree became very happy. How he helps the boy? He told him that you can cut off my branches and then you can build a house for your wife and for your children. But the boy stayed away for a long time and the tree was sad again. Now the boy went away for a long time and again the tree became sad. And when he came back after some years, the tree was so happy that it could hardly speak. Now the boy was a young man. Now the boy has become a young man. And the tree was so happy on seeing that young man. And the tree was so happy but could hardly speak. Now the tree was also became old and he could speak hardly. Tree said, "Come boy, come, what can I do for you?" Now the tree has become old and the child has become young. So tree was not able to speak so much. So he said slowly and said that, "Come boy, come, what can I do for you?" Now the tree again asked to the young man that, how can I help you? What can I do for you? The young man said, I am going on a business trip. Business means to deal something. To earn money, he is going to do some business. Now the young man, I am going on a business trip. I want a boat to take me away. Can you give me a boat? Now the young man asking to the tree that you can give me a boat for the business trip. Tree said, all I have left is a trunk. Now the tree has already given apples, branches, and now he is only having a trunk with him. So tree said that all I have left is a trunk. Cut down my trunk. You can cut down my trunk, and you can make a boat from my trunk, and then you can sail in a boat. The narrator said, the young man cut the trunk of the tree and sailed away in a boat. The tree was left only with a stump. And after a long time, the young man came back again. Now after a long time, the young man came back to the tree. Now he was an old man, but the tree recognized him. Here the young man came here, but after a long time he came. So he also became a young man, became an old man. But the tree recognized that young man, that he has turned into an old man. Now the again tree asked the old man that how can I help you? Tree said, I am sorry friend, but I have nothing left to give you. My apples are gone. Apples are cut. Apples also tree has given. Branches also tree has given to the boy, and then trunk also given to the young man. Now only he is having a stump with him. Old man said, my trees are too weak for apples. Tree said, my branches are gone. You cannot swing on them. Old man said, I am too old to swing on branches. Old man said, now I am become so old, I can't swing from branch to branch. Tree said, my trunk is gone. You cannot climb. Now the tree, old man said, I am too tired to climb the trees, to climb the trunk. Tree said, sighing, I am sorry, I wish that I could give you something. Now tree saying that, I wish that I could give you something, but I am sorry, I can't give you anything. Only just stump is left with me. But I have nothing left. I am just an old stump. I am sorry. Old man said, dear tree, you have always given. But now I don't need much, just a quiet place to sit and rest. Now the tree said, I am only an old stump where you can take a rest and sleep. Old man said that I am also so tired. Now I need a rest. I want to sit. Tree said, happily well, an old stump is good for sitting. Sorry dear. Tree said, happily well, an old stump is good for sitting and resting on. Come friend, sit down and rest. Stump means it's a walking place or a resting place where a person can sit and take a rest in peace. Narrator said, the old man did, and the tree was still happy. Thank you. I hope